Hi, it's the Fix-It Lady here. I was contacted by a company to do a collaboration with them, and since I'm new to diamond painting and I'm already addicted because it's very addicting, I went ahead and accepted it. They just sent me some products to review, and who doesn't want to do diamond painting, right? No. Okay, so the first thing I got, is this I thought he was so cute, the little frog, for one of my tools. I just thought he was adorable. Sorry. Comes with all the little pieces. And I think he lights up. Yeah, he lights up. I just thought he was so cute. And seems like, I don't know, I'm going to use it in a minute, so I think he's cute. I bought him because he's cute. But anyway, the next thing I bought, or I didn't buy, they gave it to me, was this little paw keychain. And I thought it was adorable. It has the little faux leather, just a regular keychain. This was really, really cute. I was kind of sad that it's already done and that I didn't actually get to diamond paint this one. So that was the only thing I was bummed about, because, when you look in the picture, you can see that to me, it looked like when I went under, it was a diamond craft. So I thought, I was going to be actually doing the craft. But it's still adorable. But I just thought, because it was under the craft way, description, when I clicked on it, I thought I was going to actually get to do it myself. But I didn't. So, anywho, it's still adorable, and I love it. I just wish I would have been able to do it myself. But that's okay. Oops, I don't want to throw them away. Oops. Okay. So, if you're new to my channel, this is Bella, this is Rocco. Hopefully you can see them. Here's some diamond paintings. Get my thing here. Also, I'd like to mention that this company's name is One Day Saving, and you can go to www.one, the word one, I will put it up on the screen for you, onedaysaving.com. And right now they are doing a promotion which is called Spring Welfare Delivery. That gives you can get a $5 coupon, no threshold. So that's a good little thing that, I can't even open these. There we go. That's a good little thing you can go over, and I'll also have a discount code in my description. So I wanted to open this one. This is the sea turtle. Now this isn't a huge one, but I picked this one because it was not a huge one that I have a huge one that I have been doing, and I'm gonna love it when it's done, and I'm gonna hang it up in my home. But it's a thing where you work a couple hours here or a couple hours here, or, take it places with you, who knows. But anywho, this is just a smaller one. You can see by the size of my iPad that it is the smaller one. But it's adorable. I love sea turtles. Sea turtles are my CIDP mascot, so I'm kind of partial to them. Anyway, so that's that, and it comes with that and all your beads. It's a whole kit, so that's awesome, and they're really good prices. Now the prices jump around, so I'm not going to quote you prices, plus there's discount codes, and sometimes they run like, if you buy two you can get one free, so they're always running deals, and so I don't want to quote you a price because then it might be clearance, or it's never going to go up. They put their prices out, and that's what they are. But they usually give you deals. So you get this, and then obviously all your beads. So you get everything you see, so that you don't have to, if you're just new to diamond painting and you just say, well, I want to try one, and I'm going to try a smaller one, this one is pretty small. You just purchase one of them and you get everything to do your diamond project, which is awesome. So look at all those pretty colors. Can't wait to do this one. Okay, so the next one, try to roll it back the way they had it here. Oops. Okay. And the next one, see if I can open it. I believe is the hedgehog and a teacup. Oh, I'm sorry, Bella. Did that scare you? Okay, so this is another 30 by 30 centimeters. So look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, I love all these colors. I love those greens. And then you get the pack of drills. Oh, these aren't stuck together. Oh, this one's a little nice. Oh, I like these. Oh, look, and they come with the bag. Oh, I'm liking these ones better. You know, maybe they're changing to these because, like, I always get these, which everyone I've bought so far come like this. And I am really liking this. Same company, but you get them in their own little bag, and they, you know, because usually I take these out of these, cut these open, and, you know, sometimes they fly all over the place, but I'm still learning. So then I cut them open, put them in a baggie, or put them in their little, have these little plastic jar thingies, and then I have to label them. So this is awesome. Already come in the bag, already cut apart, has the name, the number already on them. Loving this one. Loving it. Look at that. This is great. You don't have to do anything but start your project. So I would really, really recommend this one because that's awesome. There's a lot of fours. But yeah, this is awesome. I'm really liking this one. So, because, you know, if you've started diamond painting, you kind of know the frustration of the weird little bag things. But, you know, that's the way it is. So when you see something like this, you're kind of overly excited because you don't have to do all that yourself. It's all done for you, and you can put them back in there. I have this little tray that has the little thing on the bottom. That way I can go shoop right back in. So let's see. I am going to, I think I'm going to start one. Kind of still sad about that, but it's still really cute. Little paw. But I wish I could have did it myself. But, or maybe I brought the wrong, I don't know, there's only one. I'm thinking maybe I bought the wrong one or something, but nah. So I'm going to try this out. So if you don't really know how to diamond paint, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my new little in there. And I'm going to use this one because I like this tray better. So let's see, the most popular here is P. P is, so then the, okay, so all the bags have numbers on them, and then your painting has numbers and letters. So looks like letter P is, you find the letter P, and it's number 16. So you just find number 16 on your bag. And I got them all mixed up because I got all excited and because they're in their own bags. And I'm like, woo, loving that. So let's see. And so let's see. I want to make sure that, yeah, I'll put the discount code in below. It's Spring 5, but I'll put it in the description. Again, it's www.onedaysavings.com. And the one is the word one, W, not W, Michelle. onedaysaving.com. One day, today I cannot talk. onedaysavings.com. And remember, it's called Spring Welfare Delivery. That's their promotion that they're coming up with because spring is coming up. So the discount code will be Spring 5, the number 5. Okay, oops, stuck my hand right in there. What's wrong, Miss Bell? See, look at them bags. Those are already says the thing there. I'm loving it. And who doesn't want to just start diamond painting, right? So I showed you how to, if you don't know how to diamond paint, I showed you how to, I picked P because that's the outer green here. Then you go find P, and then it's the number 16. Find your drills in your bag, and the number's on the bag. And I just threw some everywhere, but that's okay. So, and then you just have some of your wax. That's it. Your wax is in there, push through, and then you just grab it. And then pop it just like a color by numbers thing. And then you just start putting your drills on your diamond painting everywhere there is the letter P. Oops. And it's best to use parchment paper. That way you can kind of put it on there and your arm don't stick, but don't have any right now, so I'm just going to do it this way. And I do have a light that goes behind it, but it's pretty light in here, so I'm just going to do it this way. And I got my green nails on to match. Do not like that, sweet pea. No. But this is adorable little hedgehog. I just love it. I seen it and I was like, oh, I gotta get this one. And you just put those drills on top of the pea. Oopsie. It's super sticky, so. Oops. Sometimes I have enough on there. What's wrong, Miss Belle? Bella got a haircut. Let's see. But if you haven't tried diamond painting, you need to try it. It's so much fun. You know, sometimes you have things that it's hard to stay committed to. And this is like something that, at least so far, it's not that I have to be committed to it. It's like, oh gosh, I want to go work on my diamond painting. So. Oops. You just want to watch, huh? Do you just want to watch? Well, that's all you do. And really, those drills are super pretty. I love green. At least this color green. Love that. It's so pretty. Let's see how I just find all the... Oops. Hit my mic, sorry. You just find all the... Of course, you got to get the drill on there. All the peas and boop. Puts it right on there. Okay, so there we go. I just wanted to show you a little bit of it. And I'll come back and do it. I don't want to make this too long. So anyway, really loving this little guy. Didn't even use them. I was going to use them. Duh. Let me just use them real quick. I got to use them. I don't know what I did. I grabbed the wrong one. Okay. Because I want to see the feel of it, really. Well, it gives it's a much nicer grip, you know, from the little, these guys. But these, I think, come free with any diamond kit. But they're okay. But I feel like this is a little bit more, got a grip so it don't hurt your hand as much than the pink ones. So I like this one. And it's cool that it's got a light. I like that. Yeah, that's cool. I like that one. The pink ones just aren't as, oops, like comfortable for your hand, I guess. But this is, I like that. It's cute. I got it because he's a little froggy. Look cute. Now I'm just going to sit here and diamond paint because I'm addicted, and then that'll make the video longer. Alright, well, I like him. He's cute. He's comfortable. Yeah, I like him. I mean, there's nothing wrong with these, obviously, but it's a little thinner. This guy gives you a little bit more to hold on to. Plus, it's got the cool little light. So I like him. I like him better than him. And I love the fact that this certain diamond painting from the same company, onedaysaving.com, I love the fact that this one has the bags that are already labeled for you. That's awesome. These are, I didn't know any better. I didn't know any better. So when I just opened this up, just got this, just this video, you're seeing what I'm seeing for the first time. And I'm like, I prefer the bags that are numbered. But let me know if you guys have seen these in the comments below, because this is the first time I actually have seen bags that were already numbered for you, versus this, then you have to cut them open and you can't reuse them. I guess you could tape them or whatever, but these are a pain in the butt. So I got this awesome one, the little hedgehog in the teacup, just adorable. This, told you I'm super sad about this, super adorable, and I will use it because I love pink. But I was kind of sad that I didn't get to actually do the diamond painting, because that was what I was actually going to do on the video, is diamond paint this. But it already comes like that. So cute, but I know I'm going on about that, but I wish I could have did it myself, because that's the whole point of crafts. And this adorable one, I love the sea turtles, and comes with the bummer bags, but hey, I didn't even know they existed till today. So alright, so go to onedaysavings.com, and I will put the description in the below and the links, and all the links of the products that I purchased. And probably want to go sneak this one if you haven't got the ones with the cool little bags. I don't know. And the little cute froggy is pretty cute. I like him. That's why I picked them. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Make a comment. Share. It really helps the channel. And let me know if you've ever seen these little bags down in the comments, because this is my first time, and maybe I'm overreacting, but I've been having such a problem with beads flying all over, and this is awesome. You know, put them right, they're right there for you and labeled. So say bye, everybody. Say bye, Bella. Bye, Rocco. This is the Fix It Lady, and I will talk to you guys later, because you never know what I'm going to do next. Bye, guys.